Ramanujan for G is now available on the Google Play Store. Try it out for free.
Yeah, hi, good morning, class. Today in class 12J, we are starting the new unit, which is the differential equations. Okay, so let we start now. So the topic is differential equations. Okay, so now the first is what is differential equation? So in certain situation, we notice that the relation between the rates of change of observable quantities is simpler than the relation between the quantities themselves. So in such cases, differential equations are taken as model for a scalar problem in engineering, right? Or the physical sciences, biological sciences. So in this unit, we shall study some basic concept of that, right? So basically, an equation containing an independent variable or dependent variable or differential coefficient of dependable variable with respect to independent variable is called the differential equation. Like example, so first we will write the today's unit name, which is the differential equation. So we are starting differential equation, right? So like examples, you can say like dy by dx is equals to sine x. Similarly, like dy by dx plus xy is equals to cot x. Similarly, d square y by dx square will minus 5 dy by dx plus of 6y is equals to x square. Similarly, like d square y upon dx square whole square plus x square and dy by dx cube, right, which is equals to 0. And similarly, like we can take d square y upon dx square plus 1 plus this dy by dx square from 3 by 2 is equals to 0 also. So these are some examples of a differential equation, right? So you can copy this. Okay, so yeah, so next is the order of differential equation. Okay, next thing is order of differential equation, right? Order of differential equation. So the order of differential equation is the order of the highest derivative occurring in differential equation. Like for example, order of above differential equations are 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, right? So now like we will take questions and then we will find the order and the degree, right? So question is the order and degree of differential equation d square y upon dx square plus dy by dx power 1 by 3 plus x to the power 1 by 4 is equals to 0. Okay, so clearly order of the differential equation is 2. Order is 2. Again, like d square y dx square plus x to the power 1 by 4 is equals to minus of dy by dx power 1 by 3. So we can write d square y dx square plus x of 1 by 4 whole cube. So it becomes minus of dy by dx. So which shows the degree of differential equation is 3. So order is 2 and degree is 3. Right? Taking one more question. The order of dE 1 plus dy by dx square power 3 by 2 and which is e to the power d square y upon dx square is. So solution order is equals to 2. So the order of highest derivative is like order will be like d square y dx square is 2. So here it's also highest is 2. So order is 2. Next question, like the order of differential equation of all conics whose axis coincide with the axis of coordinate is. So since the general equation of all conics whose axis coincide with the axis of coordinate axis is ax square plus by square is equals to 1, right? So there are two constant a and b. So it's a differential equation will be of order 2. So differential equation is of order 2. Okay. So we can copy. Then we proceed to the next part. Sorry. Okay, so next is the degree of differential equations. Next is degree of differential equations. Okay, so the degree of differential equation is the degree of highest derivative occurring in that differential coefficient are free from the radical and the fractions. Okay, so example like the degree of above equation which we have taken here are this 1 and 4 seconds, 1 for second, third is also 1, then next is here is 2, then next is here 3. Okay, so these are the degree of these the equations. Okay, so like here we take, if we take example like this 1 plus dy by dx power 2 and whole 3 by 2 is equals to L d square by dx square. So now we have to find this, or we have to find degree of equations here, right? So clearly from the above we can write like 1 plus dy by dx square power 3 and it's here L square d square by dx square whole 2. So it's here degrees 2. 2 because the degree of highest derivative order highest derivative is d square d square y dx square which is 2, which is this one, right? Next, similarly we have to find the degree for the equation d cube y upon dx cube power 3 by 2 plus 4 minus 3 d square y dx square plus 5 of dy by dx is equals to 0. Okay, so let us solve. So this is dqy upon tx cube 2, and this side if you take all terms like 3 d square y dx square minus 5 of dy by dx minus 4 and whole is here cube. So degree of differential equation is also 2 here because the highest term is this and the degree is here 2, right? Like one more, if the degree they are asking for d square y upon dx square plus dy by dx whole square is equals to x of sine d square y upon dx square. So for this, since the given differential equation is not a polynomial equation in the differential coefficient due to this part, okay, so degree is not defined. So we can write here degree is not defined. The reason, the reason is since the given differential equation is not a polynomial equation in a differential coefficient, right? So now take moving to the next, which is the linear and non-linear equations. So, linear and non-linear equations. Okay, so a differential equation in which the dependent variable and its differential coefficient occur only in the first degree and are not multiplied together is called the linear differential equation, right? So we can write P naught d to the power ny upon dxn plus P1 d of n minus 1 into y d of x into n minus 1 plus P2 d n minus 2 into this dx n minus 2 goes up to p of n minus 1 dy by dx plus p of n into y is equals to q. Okay, so here p naught, p1, p2, and pn minus 1 and q are either constant or functions of independent variable x. So those equations which are not linear are called not non-linear differential equations. So a differential equation is a non-linear differential equation if its degree is more than 1. First point is its degree is more than 1. Second point is any of the differential coefficient has exponent more than 1. Any of the differential coefficient has exponent more than 1. Next is exponent of the dependent variable is more than 1. It's also more than 1. And the last point, like the products containing like dependent variable and its differential coefficient are in the present, right? So like if we talk about the examples, so let me write. First one is d square y upon dx square cube plus 2 dy by dx whole square minus 5y and x to the power 4. So this is non-linear differential equation because degree is 3, which is more than 1, right? Taking more examples like d square y by dx square plus 6 and dy by dx square plus 8 of y is equals to x square. So this is also non-linear differential equation because differential coefficient dy by dx has has exponent 2 exponent 2, right? Next is like if we take more like d square y upon dx square plus y is equals to 0. So this is linear differential equation with of order 2 and the degree will be 1. Degree 1. Right? Sorry. Next thing is formation of difference. Formation of difference. So here like steps are we have to write down the equation. We have to write down the equation. And second is differentiate it successively with respect to x at the number of times equal to the arbitrary constant. We have to differentiate with respect to x that the number of times equals to the arbitrary constant. And the last is we have to eliminating arbitrary constant. Okay, like which involves in the like x, y, dy by dx or d square y by dx square and goes up, right? So these are the basic steps which we have to follow. Now, next we will take question. So from the differential equation corresponding to y square is equals to m a square minus x square. So we have to solve by eliminating m and a. Okay. So now we are going to solve this. So we are given with the y square is equals to m a square minus x square. So since the given equation contains two arbitrary constant, so we shall differentiate it with two times and we shall get a differential equation of second order. So now differentiating both sides, differentiating both sides. This is the equation one. Okay, differentiate respect to x. So we will get 2y dy by dx is equals to m minus 2x minus 2x. Yeah, right. So it becomes y dy by dx is equals to minus mx. So let it be second. Now differentiating both sides of second. So it will be y d square y upon dx square plus dy by dx whole square is equals to minus m. This is the equation third. Now from second and third we get x to y d square y upon dx square plus dy by dx whole square which is equals to y is equals to dy by dx, right? So this is the required differential equation. This is the required differential equation. Now we take one more question. Like the differential equation representing the family of curves y is equals to a cos x plus b. Okay, and a and b are parameters here, right? So solving, so y is equals to a cos of x plus b. This is the first equation. Now differentiating, so it will be dy by dx is equals to minus a sine x plus b. This is the second. Again differentiating, it becomes d square y on dx square is equals to minus of a cos x plus b. So this is the third. So now it is, so this is equals to minus y, right? This is equals to minus y. So it will become d square y upon dx square plus y is always equals to, this is minus y now, this is minus y. So d square y plus dx square plus y is equals to 0. So this is our answer. So we can copy this. Okay. So taking the last question for today's lecture. Okay. So like last question, differential equation, for y is equals to a cos alpha x plus b sine alpha x, and a and b are arbitrary constants. Okay. So solving this, dy by dx is equals to minus of a alpha into sine alpha x plus b of alpha cos alpha x. Basically we are differentiating this, right? We are differentiating this. So this is the first question. Next, d square y upon dx square is become minus of a alpha square cos of alpha x minus b alpha square, and here sine alpha x. So this is minus of alpha square into y. So our equation becomes d square y dx square plus alpha square y is equals to 0. So this is the required answer. This is the required answer. Okay, taking last problem. The differential equation of all straight lines which are at a constant distance to the origin. Okay, so constant distance to origin, straight line. Okay, so like any straight line which is constant distance p from the origin, so which is x cos alpha plus y sine alpha is equals to p. So differentiating both sides, you will got cos alpha plus sine alpha dy by dx is equals to 0. So tan alpha will be minus of 1 upon y1. So y1 is equals to d1, sorry, dy by dx. So sine alpha will become 1 upon under root of 1 plus y1 square, and cos alpha will become minus of y1 by under root of 1 plus y1 square. So putting in the first equation, we will get x into minus y1 divided by 1 plus y1 square plus y1 upon under root 1 plus y1 square, which is equals to p. So our final answer will be y minus x y1 square is equals to p square 1 plus of y1 square. Basically what we have done, like this is the right angle triangle. So here its angle is alpha. So it's -1, it's a 1. So basically it will be noted as 1 plus y1 square. So by this concept we have solved the question. Okay. So thank you guys. We are going to wind up this lecture here. Okay. So we'll take next topic in the next class.